Hi guys, welcome to my channel Simple Beauty Tips. Today we are going to show you the onion mask for our hair growth using only two ingredients. One is the onion and other is the yogurt. First of all, onions are rich in sulfur and helps in minimizing the breakage and thinning of the hair. Coming to yogurt. Yogurt is full of proteins and it offers nourishment that our hair needs to grow healthy. First of all, we need to take the onions and cut them into pieces. Cut them into pieces and prepare the onion juice. And here is our onion juice ready. And then now we are taking a clean bowl and we are now going to add three tablespoons of onion juice, and 2 tablespoons of yogurt, and mix it thoroughly such that the two ingredients mix very well in a very consistent manner. And now apply it to your scalp and gently massage it. Now just take this solution on your hand and gently massage it on your scalp. In this manner, in circular motions, just massage it in your scalp. Gently massage like this in circular motions and apply it to whole of the scalp. Just massage like this. And leave it for half an hour and then take a shower with a shampoo. And this is how our onion mask for our hair gets ready.